What is that called?
That's my fluffy one. That's the apple.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, Santa gave it to you. You want me to
You can
pop
see
the
your
tag?
particular.
Okay. Here, open this one.
That's the apple on it.
Oh, you want to leave it on there or take it off?
Take it off.
Take it off. Okay.
She loves Roby.
Open this one, Daddy. This one. This one.
That's mine.
Yeah, that's for Natalie. It's from Oklahoma grandparents. Oh, what'd you get?
What
It's
you?
a diary with an M.
Awesome.
It's the apple.
I remember one time I went to Justice and I said I wanted one of those, but you said no. Or was it?
No,
Yeah, it was Justice.
I was saving it for Christmas.
This is for you, Mom.
Oh, yay. So exciting.
It's from me.
From you?
Yeah. Natalie, this is from Aunt Jenny. No cotton.
Oh, I didn't know Santa knew we were going to be there. Thank you.
Ooh.
Thank you. From Maria and Natalie. Thank you.
Does it say Grandma P?
Yeah.
There's another one there for Grandma H. I'll just save that one for Grandma P.
Oh, here it is.
Grandma H? I'm on Grandma H. Ooh, it's heavy.
Yes.
Oh, Natalie, what's inside? What's
Natalie,
inside here?
Oh boy.
Mrs. Fields.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ooh,
Okay, Natalie.
chocolate, chocolate,
Assorted chocolate.
and nuts.
Oh, nuts. Hey, that's just right.
Okay.
Ruby.
Oh, a new coat, Natalie.
That's for me.
Yeah, it's for you.
Here's another one for Mom.
Oh, I got two. Ooh,
What was your first present?
lucky me. I haven't finished opening it yet.
It's taped down on the side. Mine is.
Oh. That's a good one, Maria. A travel mug from Starbucks.
Whoa!
Love it. I wonder if I can take it to them and they'll put my drink in there.
They can. It has the stuff on the side that they'll mark it.
You want to try
They
on
can
your
give
coat?
you free coffee in it?
No.
Not free.
We went overboard with this.
That's the bowl.
Okay, try it on.
I've been getting a lot of boxes.
Whoa.
Wow, look at those.
So cute.
Cotton, go get your bone.
You're like
Where's your
Stay
bone?
Puft
Go get your
Marshmallow
bone.
girl.
Go get your bone.
Okay,
Guys,
Look at the Eskimo over there. Hi, Eskimo.
Oh,
Can you open
cute.
this, please?
Yeah, it's just
That's yours.
this. All right, here you go, Maria.
Almonds and
I'm guessing this is from Justice.
I need my toy.
You want it off? Okay. So cute. Love it.
That is a good one. Yeah.
Yeah. Here, Nat, Nat.
What did Maria get?
It's your turn.
This is the jacket that I wanted.
How did we know that?
Because I showed you.
Try it on.
I did, I just was.
I'll try it on now.
Oh, you got me a new keyboard. That's funny. My keyboard is so disgusting. It's all dusty and grimy. That's cute. Thank you guys.
So cute.
Oh, and I like it. It looks so nice.
Uh-huh.
Mommy.
Thank you.
What's that?
Is that for her?
Yeah, this is from Jenny and Liz Jr.
Where is
I need to go
it?
put this in
Inside.
the room.
Where is it?
Put out.
Pillow pet.
A pillow pet.
Pee-wee pillow pet.
What is it? Oh, it's a penguin. Oh, we love penguins. Put him with your Roby.
Look, Natalie, look what Maria's got.
Over here.
Maria's got a big one.
I got a little one. Please.
All right.
That's the bear and that's the penguin, huh?
Mommy.
Oh, he jumped over the Furby.
Something else?
Okay, now
What
let's
is
see
that?
Sydney has something like this.
Who got you that?
Here, Natalie.
Stand
No,
over
no,
there.
that's Ian's. This one's yours.
What is that, Maria?
It's a dress.
Oh,
I
cute,
think.
cute dress. You used to have one like that.
I did?
Yeah, you used to. It doesn't fit anymore.
Sydney has something sort of like this, except it's a tank top.
Wow.
Oh, it's so cute.
Oh, that's a dress too. Just gonna put it right here.
That's my new one.
Yeah, that's from me and Daddy and Zia. Oh, so cute.
Oh,
It's for you. Yeah.
Can I get it on?
You want to try it on? Okay.
Now I can start carrying Victoria around
You
in
want to
that
take
box.
off the tag? Oh.
What's inside?
I saw something.
It zips.
I know. Oh, there's the zipper.
Here.
Yeah.
Arms up.
Oh, there it is.
That's
What's supposed to be in
the
here?
puppy.
Yeah. Panda bear polka dots.
Oh, it's a doll case, or what is it?
Mhm.
American. With some clothes for.
She's gonna love this.
Wow.
And what's this? I'm guessing it's a hairband.
It's like a. Oh, yeah, maybe it is a hairband.
Cut and go.
Natalie, let's see your dress. Wow, very pretty.
Wow.
Who's that from?
Yeah, that looks like.
I don't.
It came from a store called Crazy 8. I've never been there before.
Oh.
You want to open this one, Natalie?
Are you not getting any attention? Huh? Are you not getting any attention?
You should go get Victoria and stick her in there.
Not right now.
All right.
Alright, what's in here?
Okay, I've been waiting to open this one. Oh.
Okay.
This is also for Natalie.
Let me see yours.
Oh,
That's it.
Natalie, Maria's got one for you. Open that.
Oh, is that from you, Maria?
Uh-huh.
Natalie, turn around so I can see.
I did a bad job wrapping it.
It looks cute.
It has a straw.
Natalie, can you guess what it is?
Or not.
Ooh, that is a fancy cup. Wow.
Say thank you, Maria.
Hey, Julia.
It has a snow globe on the bottom. Shake it up.
and it's Ricky and Remy.
Why do I keep on getting boxes?
Look.
Oh, pretty.
You can give them back if you don't want those boxes.
Okay, what's in
Well, I
here?
have stuff inside.
Oh, wow.
What did you get, Natalie? Let's see.
Boots.
House. Oh, they're boots, huh?
My little
They're not house slippers, they're boots.
Can I take the tag out?
Sure, I'll take the tag. Let me see, Maria. I'll open it for you.
No, I think I got it.
You don't do it that way. The other side.
I got it.
All right.
Okay, it's for my shoes. Here's our present again. It's boots.
Oh, good. Let's see what they look like.
I want these.
Oh,
Oh, wow. Those are pretty. I like those.
I do.
You're welcome.
Now pick them out.
That's my boots, though.
Here you go. Here's your
Go.
You want to try them on?
Yeah.
Okay. We have to take the Dora's shoes off.
Okay. There you
I want to put it on.
Yeah. You just slip your foot in. Yeah.
They feel good?
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
what else?
More skinny jeans.
Uh-huh.
You're welcome. Okay, here, Natalie. This is from Arkansas grandparents. It's from Grandma and Grandpa.
Who's that for?
It's for me.
Are those stretch leotards or something? What are those? Maria,
What?
what are those?
These?
Oh, it's for you guys. It's for
Stretch.
you.
Skinny jeans.
Skinny jeans.
Thank you. Better wrap it all the way.
Oh, it's American Girl stuff? Let's see what's inside.
Oh, you did.
It's for me.
Yeah, it's for you. Oh, a little backpack. And a baby blanket.
Can I play that on?
That's from Grandma and Grandpa?
Can I play the backpack on?
Sure, you can put it on.
Oh, yeah.
This is so hard to